Yeah.
Charlotte bursts forth. Help!
Are you in some sort of trouble, madam?
Help me!
Should I call the police? This time?
He tried to kill me.
Or you again?
Again?
Marshal! Marshal!
Is that all the little flower girl? Will you rescue me?
Again?
What?
You mean to say he's tried to kill you before?
On several occasions. Not the least of which was my birthday.
Oh, for heaven's sake, get in here!
Don't you think that's insensitive?
Well, yes,
Rodney!
Yes? What?
This gentleman thinks it's incredibly insensitive that you tried to kill me on my birthday!
Oh, does he? He doesn't know the whole story.
Oh! You'll never comprehend the whole story!
And what's more, it wasn't your birthday.
It was my birthday! He has a tremendous sense of occasion.
You're distorting the facts once again.
why do you treat each other this way?
It's all words and gestures. Pomp! There's absolutely no substance to it.
He was choking you to death.
Oh, that. It gives him a tremendous sense of power to hear me gasping helplessly for air.
And the gun?
Blanks.
You were both just pretending.
Oh, I don't know. There's such a fine line between truth and fiction, isn't there? It's the subject of a number of foreign films. Oh, for God's sake, Rodney, what are you doing now?
I'm killing all your goldfish.
Did you hear that? He's killing all of my goldfish.
Yes, I heard.
The neighbors can hear you, Rodney.
What? Killing a fetch? Huh?
He's not really doing anything. He's standing there, looking at my goldfish, giving them that look, that deadly look. Yes, I was only acting.
Pardon?
I was pretending to die. He finds it amusing.
Oh. Well, I don't.
Then why were you watching us?
I happened to be here, that's all.
I see.
Come inside, Charlotte. I've got a knife and I want to cut your head off.
That knife isn't even sharp. You had to poke my head off with it.
Now there's an idea.
He's threatening to cut my head off with a butter knife. Can you imagine?
No, not really.
Well, at least it's something. I suppose there's a certain affection in it. It keeps the relationship alive anyway. But it used to be one of those dreary, mindless little affairs that starts with a bang, ends with a whimper. We weren't even lovers anymore. Just zombies.
Huh.
You can't imagine. He started reading the paper at dinner. I started having another affair. You can't believe how complicated that is. Cheating on the man you're cheating with. Anyway, he had all the trappings of a marriage, which is precisely what both of us were trying to escape. we began to dread seeing one another. Finally, out of sheer exasperation, dear Rodney, the boring lawyer, tried to run me down with his car. It's hard to explain, but as I lay on the curb, half conscious, I felt revitalized. We both did. And we've been trying to kill each other ever since.
Charlotte! Ha! Ha!
It's not entirely an act. We really do hate each other.
We do!
But there's something to be said for that, isn't there, Rodney?
Ha!
There's a certain zeal to it.
Ha ha!
Goodbye.
Alrighty.
I'm kind of stuck there.